This is a demonstration of my auto range auto leveling system that I've created using a Raspberry Pi, a relay board, and I'm actually using my iPad to control this. So the first thing that I want to do is show that my camper is level, as you can see here. And this demonstration I'm going to be talking about leveling front to back. So the first thing that you want to do when you basically lower your landing gear is you want to unhitch. So I'm going to hit unhitch here. And what unhitch is doing, it's kind of hard to see on my display, but what it's telling me is it's raising the front jacks, and it should raise the level up to probably about a 2 on here, and that's about what my truck needs from level in order to basically unhitch or hitch up correctly. So I would have extended my jacks down and basically then raised the trailer up while it's still hooked up to the camper until I'm probably about a degree high. And then once I'm a degree high, that's when I would actually pull the truck out. So what's happening again right now is it's actually continuing to raise this up until it hits 1 degree exactly. And it just hit 1 degree, which is about exactly what I would need. So in this case, my Raspberry Pi has memorized this location. The next thing I want to do is actually level the camper. I would have pulled the truck out, so I go back and hit level. And again, you can't really see on my display, but it's showing an F, meaning it's operating the front jacks, and it's showing that the front jacks are actually lowering. And as you can see here, it's fairly quickly lowering my camper down, and it should stop right about center on 0 once it hits level. How it's doing this is there's actually a sensor inside of the Raspberry Pi that can sense whether you're level or not, and that's what's causing all of this to happen ultimately. So as you can see, we're almost at 0, and as soon as we get to 0, it should stop. We're just about there now. And as you can see, it has stopped, the jacks have stopped, and we're back at level. If you look at my iPad, I also have the ability to level left to right, meaning I can level the passenger side or the driver's side. Other features that I'm not going to demonstrate today, but I'm able to actually extend my jacks and have the Raspberry Pi sense when each jack hits the ground, and then when I go to hitch back up again, I can basically hit retract, and it'll raise each of those jacks back up the same amount that it had to lower them. Thanks for listening, and hope you enjoyed this.